Gyro.
O ba, lumang pump house to, no? Wala ba? Alam mo, hindi na kita sasama dito. Masyado kang bad.
Kasi naman, pwede sa kotse.
Pwede ba? Pag damay ng nanay ko, hindi na ako papagamitin sa kotse. Ayun o, parang wig na nakasabi to. Sabi no.
Ano ba?
Ayun, pare, may orbs.
Let's go!
Ano ka ba? Tingnan mo doon. Ayun. Kang maingay. Ano mo, maririnig tayo eh.
Ano ba?
Pare yun o. Parang wala na. Hindi natin ito sabi. Doon parang may duwende o. Duwende o.
Okay, now is our guard duty time. Look at this slacker over here. What is he doing? 4-hour shift. Now it's 12:32 down here. And look at what we are doing. Flashing down here, man. What? Full moon. Full moon. Let's take a look. Damn, it's a full moon, man.
Making out like that here.
That's why it's so romantic down here. Hey, what? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Hey, fire, hey! Hey, come,
Come back.
Down.
Hey, what's that sound, man?
Hey, got room, man.
Better report it. Where the fuck is the guy, man? Where the fuck?
Got room to, someone to got room.
Hey, he's still there. Let it. What the fuck? He's there. Fucking shit, he's there.